Welcome everyone. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Here two equations. First equation is given equation and second equation is to be proved equation. So writing first two equations. First equation is cos theta plus sin theta is equal to name it equation 1. Another equation writing here see in the equation which is given right hand side root 2 cos theta, the equation which is to be proved right hand side root 2 sin theta, here with root 2 cos theta, here with root 2 sin theta. So this cos theta should be converted in terms of sin theta. Our aim is to do that. To do that, we will use a formula which is from trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that we can convert sin in terms of cos and cos in terms of sin. So first squaring both sides 1. So squaring and writing cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab term 2 cos theta sin theta, that is equal to square of root 2 2 square of cos theta cos square theta. Now within right side writing squaring 1 both sides. Now see, use the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. This formula had from trigonometry, or it can be cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, as here cos square theta plus sin square theta. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, that is equal to 2. Simultaneously we will write cos square theta is equal to, from this equation cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 2 as it is 1 minus sin square theta. So now expand right hand side 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, that is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square theta. So we have got 2 with sin square theta. Whenever it will be square root, then it will be root 2 and sin theta. Obviously we will have root 2 sin theta. Now adjust other things. How to do this? Transpose 2 to the left, 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 sin square theta. So we should make this minus as plus. So now multiply both sides by minus 1. Here writing multiply last equation by minus 1. So this will be minus 1 minus 2 cos theta sin theta. See here 1 minus 2. Result is minus 1. Whenever after that it will be multiplied by minus 1. This will be plus 1. I think is it clear? Now it will be whenever multiplied by minus 1 positive 2 sin square theta, or we have to get cos theta minus sin theta. So if we write again 1 is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta, so it can be reduced cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now writing cos 1 is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So left hand side can be reduced cos theta minus sin theta that of square is equal to root 2 sin theta that of square. Now taking both sides square root, this will be cos theta minus sin theta, and consider positive sign. So this is equal to root 2 sin theta, which is equation to be proved. Name it equation 2. This equation 2 and this last equation same. So we conclude that cos theta minus sin theta that is equal to root 2 sin theta is proved. Now see, equation 2 can be proved by another method also. So we now we can use another method. We are calling that second method. Second method. In the case of second method, first consider the given equation cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Consider cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. From here I will find sin theta is equal to, or sin theta is equal to, transpose this cos theta to the right and taking common cos theta. What will be remaining? Root 2 minus 1. Now writing here the equation which is to be proved. The equation which is to be proved is cos theta minus sin theta root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta that is equal to root 2 sin theta. Name it equation number 1. Now left hand side of 1 what will be? Cos theta minus sin theta. Now put the value of sin theta, that is equal to cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. First writing cos theta. Now take out common cos theta. What is remaining? 1 minus root 2 minus minus plus 1, that is equal to finally cos theta 2 minus root 2. Now right hand side of 1. Now RHS of 1, what is root 2 sin theta. What was the value of sin theta? Root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta root 2 minus 1. As we have got before sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 into cos theta, root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. So multiply root 2 to root 2 minus 1, so cos theta, whenever multiplied by root 2, root 2 into root 2 minus root 2. Obviously see, left hand side of 1 is equal to right hand side of 1. Therefore, as left hand side of 1 is equal to right hand side of 1, proved. Therefore, cos theta minus sin theta, that is equal to root 2 sin theta, proved. Look at properly. Thank you for watching this video.